Tired of carrying around all those cards? Let's get that Chase card onto your Chase app. First, open your Chase mobile app and look for the profile icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap it. This will take you to your profile and settings. Now, find the option that says something like Linked Accounts or Add to Digital Wallets. It might be under Payments or Settings. Tap on it. You'll see options for different digital wallets or a card management screen. Look for a plus sign icon or a button that says Add Card. Tap on it. The app will likely ask for permission to access your camera. Grant the permission, and then position your Chase credit card within the frame on your screen. The app should automatically scan and recognize the card details. Review the card information that the app scanned. Make sure the card number and expiration date are correct. If any fields are blank, you'll need to manually enter them. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the card's security code, that 3 or 4-digit number on the back of your card. Now, you'll probably see the terms and conditions. Read through them, and if you agree, check the box. Finally, tap on the Confirm or Add Card button. And that's it, your Chase credit card is now added to your Chase app. You should see it listed with your other accounts. You're all set to manage your card and make payments directly from your phone.